Hey, I'm so stoked to bring you guys this ALLOYPOWER brand 20-volt industrial stapler brad nailer. It's a cordless 2-in-1. It does 18 gauge brad nails and staples. Let's check this thing out. Well, here's everything that came in the box. It's got the instruction manual, got the stapler itself. It comes with a whole bunch of brad nails and staples as well. Looks like it comes with 1,500 30mm brad nails and 1,025mm brad nails, 1,024mm staples, 6mm across the top. Comes with one battery and a charger. First thing I'm going to do is make sure the battery's charged up. So I'll plug this in here to the wall. This just slides right in here. All right, this is really straightforward on the battery. If it's green, it's all charged up. If it's red, it needs to charge. And the battery here just slides right on there. Go. Now we're ready to roll. Let's put some staples in here first. The staples, to do this, all you do is just grab this right here and you pinch it. Pinch it like that and pull that out. Now the staples, I'll show you where those go. Now look at these. These are real nice. Okay, the staples just go right down in here, just like that. Now we're ready to roll. But one thing before we do that, right here you can pre-select the impact force. So you got settings all the way up to 6. You just turn it like that. You got 5 all the way down, so it goes from 1 all the way to 6. So let's just go with 6 here. Give it a test. I got an old piece of scrap wood here. Go ahead and run one through here. So all I'm doing now, I'll get a close up on this. You can also see too, you've got showing that we've got staples in there, which is nice because a lot of times you're going, oh, do I have staples in here or not? And you got to pull it out and check. Here you can see it right there. So now go ahead and just press down like that and then squeeze the trigger. There we go. Give it another go here. Ready? I'm going to pull the trigger. I'll show you right there. There we go. See, it drives it all the way through. Check it out. Let's look at the other side. That's nice. It's got good power on that too. It comes all the way through that wood. Wow. That's some fairly thick plywood. So you got good penetration on there, good impact force. I'm going to use this on so many projects. It's not even funny. You can use it for trim, baseboard trim, window trim, sliding glass door trim, a ton of stuff. Tacking up pieces to hold it in place. Tons and tons of uses for this. So now if I want to go ahead and remove the staples, same thing. Just press this. There we go. Pull that out. And they'll just come right out. Okay, now let's go test out these brad nails here. Okay, same thing for these brad nails here. You can see you're going to place the crown of that, though. We're going to place the crown down in there. Okay, and then just slide it that way. And then you can also see that you've got some brad nails in there. Let's go ahead and test this out. There we go. There's one. Do another one. There's another one. Got impact force all the way up to 6. Let's test this out again here. Check it out. There we go. There's a look at the board from the other side. It sinks them all the way through there. This is a very awesome tool. Nice, and it's not too heavy either. You can one-hand it, no problem. And when I'm not using, I'm going to just go ahead and pull the battery out. And I'll pull the nails out too, which is real easy. Just go like that. These things come right out of there. All right, you guys, get one of these. You'll be happy with it. All right, thanks for watching.